Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Are you enjoying your stay at our hotel?
Yes, I am. The staff is very polite, and our room is lovely. My wife and I are having a great time.
I am happy to hear that. Can I help you with anything this morning?
Yes, you can. My wife and I would like to go out for lunch today. Can you recommend a nice restaurant?
Of course. What kind of food do you and your wife want to eat?
My wife is a vegetarian, so we would like something with a lot of vegetables.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, we eat fish.
Do you like spicy food?
My wife likes spicy food, but I do not.
What about a Japanese restaurant? Their menu includes rice and fish. They also have many vegetable dishes. There are some spicy dishes and some non-spicy dishes.
That sounds good.
There is an excellent Japanese restaurant downtown. I can make a reservation for you now.
Yes, please. Could you also arrange for a taxi to take us there?
Sure thing. I will arrange for a taxi to pick you and your wife up at noon. Is that okay?
That is perfect. Thank you very much.
No problem. Enjoy your lunch.
At the library. Hello there. Can I help you with anything?
Hello. I am looking for a new book to read.
You're in the right place. What kind of book are you looking for?
I am looking for a book with a lot of action.
Oh, then I think you should look for something in the adventure section.
Can you show me where the adventure section is?
Of course, just follow me. Here we are. You can choose any of these books to borrow.
Do you have any recommendations?
What about this book? This book is about pirates and buried treasure.
Oh, I already read this book last month.
Did you enjoy it?
It was exciting, but it was very long. I prefer short books.
Then let's try to find a shorter book. What about this one?
Oh, it looks very interesting. Have you read this book?
Yes, I read it last year. It's a very exciting book with a lot of action. The main character is a wizard and he is really funny.
That sounds great. I will take this one.
Is there anything else that you need?
No, I just need this book.
Okay, I can check it out for you now. Let's go to the front desk. Do you have a library card?
Yes, I do. Here you go.
Thanks. I will check this book out for you now. Okay, here is your book. The return date is in 3 weeks.
Thank you so much for your help. I am really excited to read my new book.
I hope you enjoy it. I will see you again in 3 weeks.